Welcome back, Saucybabes fams. I am Sassy, and today you're watching August unboxing BOXYCHARM. That makes sense? Yes. So I'm super excited to share with you guys what I got on my BOXYCHARM this month. I will be doing these unboxings every month, so I hope you guys stay tuned and also to see what looks I come out with. Anyways, babes, also if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for subscribing. And to my OGs, thank you so much for always supporting me. Also, yesterday we posted a review, a comparison between the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Faux collection. I did a comparison between the Dark Magic palette, which is this one right here, the darkest one. So I share with you guys what's better or what's worse, the old formula or the new formula. Anyways, if you guys would like to see that, I'll link it right here. I'm excited for this box. Hello, charmers. Oh. So you can see everything that I got on the box, you guys. This is the August box. The theme was live it up. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I received and we're gonna put it on our face, of course. Let's see how this goes. So we have some of this Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. So these are just individually bold foil eye masks just to brighten and hydrate and reduce the appearance of dark circles, of course, under the eyes. So let's just go ahead and put this right now. While, ooh, gold. I love gold. Ooh, that feels so fresh, you guys, compared to how hot it's in my house. This feels so cooling. Ooh, let's put this on. Me like it. Okay, so we're gonna leave that on for the rest of the video. Obviously not, let's just put it on. So we definitely did get a Laura Los Angeles Party Animal eyeshadow palette, which I'm more than excited to be trying, you guys. And it looks like this. Oh my god, you guys, these colors, you guys know I live for colors, so I'm super excited to be trying this. And I love how it also has a freaking mirror. How cute this is. BOXYCHARM is definitely doing their things. Like, this is a very exciting. Let's go ahead and start with the eyes, of course. Okay, you guys, so I'm starting with It's a Party. I don't know why it's so funny. And that shade is going to work as my transitioning shade. And as you can see, I'm just applying this right on the crease and we're gonna bring it out. So the eyeshadow is definitely super beautiful, you guys, so you guys can see. But I have to keep going back and pick up more because you guys know I love my intense ass, like, my pigmentation has to be on another level of pigment, you know what I mean? I just have to keep going back and forth to get that actual pigment of it. But it's super like pretty. So next I'm going to take the orange shade right here. I'm going bright today, you guys. I'm going bright. This is what I'm talking about, okay? This is what I like. I love this. And then of course I'm going to go back just to blend those, just to blend the crease and bring that orange shade out as well. If you guys are new here, you probably don't know that this wouldn't be a sassy look if it didn't have a cut crease. We're cutting the crease. I'm sorry. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys don't like cut creases, if you guys like more sultry looks. Like, what are your type of looks? Let me know, because for me, cut creases, honey. All the way, okay? One of the main reasons why I love doing cut creases, you guys, is because it allowed me to add more colors and to be like sort of more creative than just applying it right on top of these. Like, they wouldn't show up as much. So I'm gonna be doing a half cut crease. The crease is cut. Now let's see what other colors we can apply onto it. I think I really want to apply the blues, you guys. I don't know why, but I don't know how would that look. I don't know, let's just go for it. I don't know what I'm gonna apply. Let's just think. So now I'm gonna take It's a Party, and as you guys can see, I'm only applying it to the inner parts of the lid where I cut the crease. And now I'm gonna apply that orange shade that is called Dranks. Okay, you guys, so next I'm going to be using a little bit more concealer. I know this is taking a little bit long, but you guys know I always, when I see colors, I go a little bit crazy. We're gonna create a wing now with concealer to then fill it in with more colors. So as you babe can see, I did my wing a little thick just because I really want to add some bomb colors there. So let's get right into it. A little thick or whatnot, you know? I hope you guys don't mind. So the first color that I'm adding is the baby blue right here. I might regret this, but let's do it anyways. Ooh, she thick. Okay. And then I went ahead and applied It's a Party on the end. There's two colors in the wing. I think it came out pretty dope. let's go ahead and now do the other eye. Okay, so we took these off. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. We also did receive a Becca First Light Priming Filter. I gotta be honest, you guys, this is a pretty decent size for the type of products that we're receiving. I really like it, and this is supposed to just help like with your bad face days. This is supposed to like fix everything on the go. So let's see how that goes today. It smells really nice, you guys. Let me see how it feels. Oh, it feels kind of like hydrating, almost like water based. I like it. It's nice. So definitely loving it, and look how dewy my skin looking. Ooh. And this is not the first time that I tried Becca primers, you guys. This is one of my favorite ones, and it's by Becca, which is the Velvet Blur and Primer. You guys see me use it a couple of my videos. I really like their primers, so it's no surprise if I'm like fall in love with this one, you know. Okay, my loves, we are almost done. Let's go ahead and finish the eyes. I really want to apply blue, but I don't know. Let's see if I don't mess this up. And I think I'm gonna apply the 3 different colors. Let's see how that goes. Now I'm gonna apply the orange. We also got the Smashbox Be Legendary Liquid Metal, and this is one of their liquid lipsticks, you guys. Liquid metallic lipsticks, and this is in the shade Brains and Brawn. I'm probably not gonna be using it, you guys, because I do not like metal liquid lipsticks. I just don't find them attractive whatsoever. I don't know why they're a trend. We also got a product from Bang Beauty Cosmetics. The packaging itself is very sleek, very pretty. I truly like it. And by the way, this is a gel eyeliner in the color Chocolate. I honestly never ever wear gel liner, especially chocolate colors. And last but not least, we got a treatment for your nails with vitamin E infused with cuticle oil, and it's called the NCLA Los Angeles Treatment So Rich cuticle oil, basically. And I'm just applying little tiny bit just to see how that goes on my cuticles, because hello, I do not take care of these little bitches. And it actually smells really nice. It has like a vanilla scent to it. It's really pretty. Okay, my sweet loves, so we're completely finished. I really hope you guys did like the look. I think I did a lot of justice to this little palette. Laura Lee did her thing. BOXYCHARM is killing it with these boxes. I love it. I think I used pretty much everything except for the gel liner, which I didn't know where to put it, to be honest. So maybe in another tutorial I'll share with you guys how this wear. But literally, you guys, I really love almost everything that I got on this BOXYCHARM, especially the palette. You guys know I love color, so I live for it. Let me know in the comments down below what you received on your BOXYCHARM this month on August. I am super excited for next month, you guys. I'm always excited for these boxes because you don't know what you're getting. So anyways, babes, if you would like to see more of me, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video. But without further ado, babes, thank you so much for being here. I love you, and I'll see you on my next one.